Hi, welcome to MOR Software. My name is Philip Ding, Business Development Executive at MOR. As you're watching this video, you're probably wondering that how an office of a technology company look like. Well, come with me and I will show you around. Right now, we are standing in MOR office in Hanoi. For those who don't know about my beautiful countries, you can look on the map for the edge-shaped country located in the Southeast Asia region, thus Vietnam. And we also have established office in Da Nang City and Ho Chi Minh City, as well as representative office across the globe, which are in Japan, Korea, and North America. Our Hanoi branch is currently residing at the top of the Roman Plaza building. As a tech company, MOR Software strictly adheres to the ISO 9001 standard in information security management, which is reflected in our office over here as well. Our company comprises of 7 zones entirely, and each zone is marked with a specific color corresponding to its information security level. As you can see over here, this is our pantry, which is marked with a green color, which means everyone in the company can enter freely, including you. This one is marked with yellow, which means it's limited access and is not available for freely roam in and out this area. And last one, the top security level, the red one, which is our lovely CEO office. Of the office cabinet, only people with authorization or permission is allowed to access the red zone. So next stop is our workspace. Let's go. As you can see, all of us, every IT developers, executive, and manager sit out in the open together. With this transparent working style, we highlight one of our core values, which is innovation. It allows us to freely teamwork, interact with each other, and be creative all the time. Speaking of teamwork, we have private meeting rooms or conference rooms designed for team or client meetings. And as important as work is, play and relax is vital for us to get loose and recharge our energy bar after a long working day. Here is our game area, where more members can play billiards with their colleagues to recharge after a long working day. Our cupboards over here are full with beverage like tea, coffee, and other office supplies to keep your mind on track and motivated throughout the day. At MOR Software, one of our core values is diversity, which is to create a working environment with inclusivity and growth for everyone willing to embrace the modern tech scenes. That's why we are expanding internationally non-stop with the help of our amazing team members coming from different backgrounds.
Xin chào mọi người, em tên là Taiki, em là lập trình viên người Nhật Bản. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
안녕하세요. I'm Nam from the Korean market team. I studied and worked in Korea for 8 years.
はじめまして、私は松田ゆ平です。日本市場の営業のリードです。
Hi, I'm Mason, a Sales and Business Development Specialist at APACT.
We also believe the balanced work-life environment is crucial for the productivity and the well-being of our members. Every week or month, there will always be all kinds of talk shows, workshops on heated topics in the company and happy hour events to celebrate our member birthday. So, we have reached the end of our video for now. I hope you enjoy our mini tour of the office. Till next time, bye-bye.